Okay, now I've got the power on and ready to go, and we've launched application reasons. The next thing I want to do is probably set up my preset, get the preset I want to use with my reasons software. Here's how it works. First thing we want to do is we want to press the preset button. Now, let's make sure that we're ready to start doing our preset thing. We're going to go back here, and now we're going to rotate our knob here. See this one here? So go one space, and here I am in reasons. And see, we see reasons right there. It says enter ENT to load. So I'll press the enter button right here. And now we've loaded the reasons preset. You can see there's number 2. There's 2 right here, and this is reasons. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press edit. I'll press edit right here. Now, once I press edit, I'll press, let's see, I'll press play. So now we're playing the software in reasons. And I'll press stop. So now I have my preset selection all made up there. We already know it's MMC/MIDI machine control. I'll press this down, and you see it's right there. It's set up in this setting, and I'm good to go. So I know that this is already set to go. Of course, I can press play here. At the top. I'll go up here. So I'm controlling the software through my MPK49. Okay, now I'm going to talk about preset and preset mode. Now we can do in presets and preset mode, we can actually load the preset. That's obvious, right? We go here to preset, we load the preset in. I got a reasons preset set up right here, right now. I can go to preset, I want to load, I press this 2 here, I'm going there, I'm going to press that, I'm going to go to 1, that's light, that's live light. Okay, that's loaded in. I can also save a preset. Let's say I got a preset here, I make some changes, I play, this says like 3 octaves up, I want to bring it back down. That's 0. We're at the regular octave range for the keyboards. But I want to save it now. So I'll say, okay, I want to save this. I got my preset there. I'm going to go to here, and I press the right arrow, and here I can save it. I can save it to 1. Now if I press yes, it'll save it right there. See that? I'm saved. I can hit the keyboard again. The octave's right there again, not where it was before. What I can also do is I can say, well, I want to change it again. I want to change the octave range up higher. So now it's higher. Now, I want to save it again. I go to press save. But I want to save it someplace different. So, here's what we do. So now that I want to save it, I'll just turn my value knob. And I can select where I want to change it to. And where I want to save this actual program. Now, you'll notice too also that if I'm in the place where it originated from, this says save to. So light 1 or live light is in preset 1. It says save to 01. So it's going to save to itself. I turn the data wheel here for the value knob, and you'll see here now it says copy. So if you're not going to save it to the original location, then you're going to copy to someplace else different. Now here, I want to maybe put it here at 30, we'll say. And I'll press enter. And now you'll see here, this says 30, and this is live light. And so I have a new preset saved there, which is my new preset called live light, and it's in preset 30. So this is how you can actually save presets, make it a different configuration. You like what you got, you want to keep it. Well, we want to find a space for it. We get a blank space, hopefully, and we store that preset there. So I stored my preset. I got it there. I like the preset. Hey, I want to keep this preset right there. It's kind of cool. It's preset 30, but I want to change the name. I want to give it a new name. So I can go to the cursor data. Right here, my cursor button right there. And I'm going to go here and press it once, twice, and now I can save the name. And you'll see that this first letter here, which is L, is blinking. And that's the one I can change. See? And I can move the cursor again. And the next one changes. And see? Capitals are there. And the lower cases are below that. And you can pick the name you want to get for your particular program, you change it, and you got it going on. This is a cool way to actually change everything, really. I can change it, and if I like it, change the name. I can say save. So I press that button down there, and I go like, yeah, we'll save it. And now here we go. Soy Light. See that? And that's how we can change the name of our preset.